This is not only renovation, it's a completely revision of what a home should feel like.
Newbridge, yeah, it already feels like home. Fully reimagined, every detail new.
由内到外焕然一新，配备超大后院，无论将来扩建还是打造 ADU， 空间利用灵活，潜力无限。Everything is a fully upgrade. Windows, plumbing, electrical, with brand new interior and exterior throughout. 整个房子配备分体式冷暖空调，每个空间都可以独立控制温度，舒适、高效又节能。
Bedrooms quiet, slow it down, softly settling into calm. Feel the way the space surrounds, like you don't wanna leave right now. Spacious yard, open air, flat and wide, nothing compares. Future plans.
A truly move-in ready home with a built-in future value and endless possibility. I hope you love it. Buying or selling a home? Just say when.